Shrake Olympics 2025. All right, hang on one sec, sir. All right.
Would you like to chair? I can score too. Yeah. I'm good.
Jimmy finished first last year, so he gets to go first at every event this year. Go ahead, Jim. Jonathan, watch his front foot. He's a cheating fucker.
He is a cheating fucker.
Solid one. I don't think that's going to cut it. He's going to have to start getting him in the hole if he wants to win at this year's competition. Ooh. So far, look at this. He's.
Oh, nice. Woo!
This is pretty damn good.
Knock one in.
There it is.
Nope. Get 10.
Oh, honey. Yes, we do.
But there's a girl overall winner. Nope, sorry. Nope, sorry. Nope. You had that shit last year.
You don't have any missions. Well, that's the rule. I'm not the president. What do you think, Mike?
She refuses to accept 0 points. So she does the redo. Woo!
America.
Fly, butterfly, fly. We may have to get this thing out of the fridge later. Oh shit. So, 17, then you said 12. After your second redo, where are you coming in this time?
Part 9.
Part 9, all right. It's supposed to be hard.
Even mine,
What about that round?
I'm gonna keep it. I'm keeping it.
All right.
I'm keeping it. Woo! He put us in charge. He's so wrong. Simba.
That worked.
Check out the wingspan on this guy. Yeah, 10-foot reach. Somebody's redoing. Are we doing a shot?
Is it going to be a shot or a beer, sir?
Oh. Is he going for a beer? Wait a minute.
He's going for the shot.
Shot. Shot.
All right. At least we brought the little shot glass.
That is a little shot glass. Here's a redo.
Here's to redos.
Shrake Olympics 2025. How many do you think you're going to get?
Jackie, speak into the mic. Speak into the mic, Jackie.
Would you please
Speak
spit on
into
this?
the
Would you please spit
that
on
one in, bro.
it? Touch it with your junk and it'll fall in.
I know. We need some pressure there.
Do it for Lana.
Yes, good music.
Do it for Lana.
The answer is teddy bear spacing. Yeah, that's great.
That's how you do that. Oh, she got it.
What's our prediction for this round, Michael?
10 or more. That's all I
This
need.
round.
Pretty good. Pretty good. I'm hanging with the big boys, so I'm good with it.
What's the plan here?
So the plan here is 1, 3, 5. Oh, and I was even cheating. I gotta be way back here.
You get more points for going in though? I didn't think this is how you excelled at this game.
1, 3, 5.
Games.
So this is how much?
1.
That's harder.
No, it's easier. It's smaller diameter.
Kind of soft.
And cannot cross the plane.
Gotta pass.
You want the big one.
Can't pass it.
Hey, whoa, caution there.
Well, should we just stand over here?
Yeah.
No, I mean, just make sure your hand doesn't cross the plane. How about, oh, your hand's going pretty far.
Hands are crossing.
Oh my God. In the replays, you're going to show is way over.
Yeah, way over. He is very good at this.
Like a 9?
Yeah, what do you think?
Your score today.
I feel good good about my score. I think it'll be hard to beat. That's what I think.
I agree. I think kick ass.
Professional.
For women.
Yes, pro. Woo! Pro. I don't like that.
Well, Mike's very experienced.
Oh, I know. I saw those pictures.
Good 9? Good 9? You go. 5, 4.
There is my chair.
Damn it! Already winner of the day.
If you win, do you? Oh yeah, he has to stand by ball. We're talking about. He has to stand way over the line. Oh yeah. There you go.
Yes. Yes, it's like.
Make him stand by his camera.
You're on the other side of the lake.
With a two-stroke, a couple guaranteed to make it big. Jones got friends in low places. Get
Oh, look
alive.
at the wind.
What you made.
You're not representing your medal very well.
Or a statue in my hometown. Nobody gonna name their babies after me. Am I not gonna history?
It's on the board. It's on the board.
Got a girl named
I say next year we go to Vegas.
fat shit.
Strategy, shoot trees.
Nobody gonna name their babies after me. Am I not
Ooh!
history? But I know
We got a
It's a
9.
niner. One more for the win.
Hello, Ebert. Mwah. I love you.
Oh my God, stop. I love it.
Well, I mean, that's not a bad idea.
Oh, come on.
That one's fine. But that's the worst. What the? Gee, two of a big dick? Now I can't even get the big dick.
10, I'm fine with 10.
That's a good
How many did you get, Jim, on this match? 9. Oh. So you don't have any redos in you. But you did have a...
Whoa.
Uh-huh.
Holy.
Are you studying the board over here, Jimmy?
I'm studying the board.
What are you thinking?
Who do I need to worry for these losers? Go up in second.
No, fuck you.
Then you gotta go back.
We have that initial, the initial thing.
Hell, I think we need to have like a side game or something.
Well,
I gotta make up my game.
The initial.
I need an option on this stuff. You didn't even put it.
Oh, shut.
Bring the bottle.
Come on,
The
girl.
bottle and we talk about it.
Stop playing that ball.
Stirring the dick.
Hurry
No
up.
kidding.
Hurry up.
Do you need a hair tie?
I think I do.
That's the ball is dead.
I can do this.
Uh-huh.
The ball is dead.
Suck through the straw to hold the ping pong ball.
It's not working.
Look how.
Oh, it works. You gotta work it.
Yeah, you gotta suck harder.
That one's not gonna work. Look at that. Look at
Maybe that's a
that.
bad straw.
Like, it's got a hair hanging off the end of it. It's never gonna seal.
Yeah, you gotta get a, make sure the bottom is dirty. I think last year we did a,
We had a couple of those fuckers.
something like that to get it nice and smooth.
Why are the chest tubes on?
Oh, money! Look at this! Bingo! That's a fucking perfect lead.
Nice.
Yeah, we stayed on Monday. Oh, okay. And then we came back Tuesday morning. Oh, that's what I said. Yeah. Stop, bitch. Stop!
It's perfect.
And then so we were doing the Milwaukee and we kind of the lake there. We drove down. Beautiful. They were behind the pole.
Get there.
Oh shit! You kidding me right now?
Fucking
Got it.
nice. 47.40.
Nice job.
I love you. Let me show you what Mike did.
Ready?
Ready.
Mike, Jess is on the clock. All right, Jess is on. Here we go.
Music, hit the travertine.
Okay, yeah, it was still
Got it.
Oh, benches.
Yeah.
She's got great time right now.
Yeah, make a hole, make a hole.
Watch out.
Emergency, emergency. Will Robinson.
Who's the other side of the club? Jessica, do something.
She's doing something.
Oh shit.
Oh my God, Caitlin, your foot.
That was awesome.
Jumping over.
Oh, that's a good stop. Look at that.
Oh, thank God that stopped. That could have gone far. All right, hit. Maybe. Nope. Oh, there it is.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Take it, take it. That's good.
Going back to that.
Where's your drink up there? Okay, there was another drink over there. Wait, I have a problem.
Did you not drink?
There was no drink over there.
Got it. Go. Yeah.
111.89. Money. Oh, chase her around, Renee. It's only gonna help. Renee, I'm still here.
Oh!
Shit.
This is attempt number 2 by Jessica Shrake.
You're still good on time.
We're in Pure, Arizona.
You're still
It's 77 degrees out.
Here's the worst part.
There's quite a crowd gathered for this event here today at the Lake Pleasant Harbor Arena.
You can't just stop.
Jessica's having a hard time with that, but it's only the first leg of this event. Oh, she made it past the hump.
Good. That's actually
Nice and light, nice and light.
Hard path roll, I like that, Julie.
She's gonna hit it real softly here, real softly.
That was good. That was a nice touch.
Jessica's very good with
Oh my
softness.
God, I would have hit it.
And she's on drink number 2. Drink number 2. She's chugging, and she's moving on to the next hole. And she's really representing well here on hole 2 and 3 here in Pure, Arizona. And she overstimulates herself. And the ball was hit a little too hard on that. And she does it again. I think the pressure's getting to Jessica Shrake here today in Pure, Arizona. And I think she hits, oh yeah, she hits the pole. And this is about it. And she drinks.
126.9.
You can tell that this fatigued her. 129.
126.9.
126.9.
Once you hit the ball, the timer starts.
Camera's running out of batteries.
There you go, man. There you go. Good job. Good
Nice shot.
job. Rock it out.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Very good. Excellent first hole. Oh yeah. Yep.
Keep going.
Can't pour it out on the ground.
Keep going.
I can't drink it.
Yeah, you cannot pour it on the ground.
That does not
It has to
work.
go down the gullet.
Julie, you cheated.
Or
I did not cheat.
It was just she was playing a certain way. You're gonna be in the rocks on your bare foot. You know that.
That's right.
Tap it in.
It's got to stop moving before you hit it again.
It has to stop.
And that's a great. I want to teach women because that's a the scholarships are for female.
There you go.
Oh my God, wild.
Girl, did you drink all that?
That was empty.
That's empty.
That was empty.
How are you just
That was empty.
right now? Yeah, we're going to Maui.
Harder. Hit it hard.
Hard.
Either the 13th or the 20th.
It's gonna hit rocks and you're gonna slow it down.
That's what I'm talking about. That was perfect. This may be it. You're going to get a good time. Yeah. Throw it when you're done. Throw it when you're done. You.
136.16.
That's respectable.